Okay, what is the default extension of Photoshop file?
.psd.
.psd. Undo command is in which menu? Undo command is in which menu? Edit menu.
Edit menu.
Okay, edit menu. Can you undo more than one action?
Yes.
Okay, by using undo command, you can undo only one action. But if you want to undo more than one action, which option will you use from the edit menu?
Undo.
Undo command से only one action undo होगा कृतिका. If you want to undo more than one action, which option will you use in the edit menu? Edit menu में कौन सी option होती है जिससे एक से ज्यादा actions undo हो सकते हैं? Yes?
Ma'am, step back.
Step backward. Step backward. ठीक है? And shortcut key for that is?
Control plus
Control
Alt
plus
Z.
Z.
Okay, Alt plus Control plus Z. Now, give me the shortcut keys for these. To make and merge selections. That means to add selection. Already selection है, उसमें कुछ selection और add करनी है. To add to
Shift
selection,
key.
which key will you press? Shift key. Correct.
Shift
Which
key.
Shift
which
key.
key will you press? Shift key. And to subtract from selection,
Alt key.
Alt key. To subtract from selection, Alt key. To finish the cropping process.
I'm double click.
Enter. Finish the keys पूछा है मनस्वी, shortcut keys. To finish the
Enter.
cropping, press yes enter key. When you finish the cropping, press enter key. जैसे आपके कंट्रोल टी से हम ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन करने के बाद भी लास्ट में कौन सी की प्रेस करते हैं? एंटर की. राइट? यहाँ ऊपर चेक मार्क दिया होता है, यहाँ उस पर क्लिक करते हैं. की कौन सी प्रेस होती है? एंटर की. तो की पूछा क्वेश्चन में, शॉर्टकट की पूछा तो यू विल गिव द एंटर की. To undo more than one action,
Control plus Alt plus Z.
Alt plus Control plus Z. Okay. Undo. Only undo.
Control
plus
plus
Z.
Alt
Control
plus
plus
Y.
Z. Okay. Cut. What is? Sorry.
Control plus X.
Control plus
Control. Okay. Manasvi, what is the shortcut key for to deselect the selection?
Control D.
Control plus T. Okay. Cut.
Control plus X.
Control plus X. Copy.
Control plus C.
C. Paste.
Control plus V.
Control plus V. Navkaran, Manneet, Janvi, Khyati, give answers. Switch on your cameras. To copy the selected part of an image within the same image. सेम इमेज में ड्रैग करती हूँ तो मुझे उसकी डुप्लीकेट कॉपी चाहिए. कौन सी की प्रेस करूंगी? की
Alt key.
Alt key.
Alt key. To make a copy of the selected object, Alt key. Okay, I will show you. Gradient or paint bucket? बुक आपके पास है, check it. Gradient or paint bucket tool, which key is there? Shortcut key to select the gradient or paint bucket.
Ma'am G.
Check करो.
Control.
Check करो.
Ma'am G है.
Okay. G. Okay, move tool. Move tool.
Ma'am V.
Rest anybody else? Move tool.
Control plus V.
Oh, control तो यूज ही नहीं होना
V.
बेटा. ये देखो मूव टूल क्या की आ रही है? हाँ जी,
V.
मूव के साथ कौन सी की आ रही है? V. ओके, ओनली V. ग्रेडियंट और पेंट बकेट.
G.
G. लुक हियर, स्क्रीन पे नजर आ रहा है? स्क्रीन पे नजर आ रहा है?
Yes,
G.
ma'am.
टूल के लिए V. लेसो टूल
L.
L. See here.
मैम जो नाम से होता है.
L. Mark you tool
M.
M. Okay, mark you tool M. Crop lasso tool L. Move tool
Move
M.
tool M.
V. Move tool के लिए V. Gradient or paint bucket G.
G.
So I told you which key is used to make a duplicate copy of the image.
Alt
So
key.
I'm opening this any image here. Okay, I'm going to select any part, and when I move it by pressing the Alt key, it will create a duplicate copy of that. ठीक है? Clear? ये देखो. I'm pressing the Alt key and moving it. It is creating the duplicate copy. Clear? Okay. Shortcut key for crop. Check कर लो. Shortcut key for crop. Crop tool.
MC.
C. C. Magic wand.
W.
W. Magic wand or quick selection. W.
W.
Okay. You have to learn, write all the shortcut keys. You are supposed to learn them. Okay, now menu commands. Write the commands for following. बोला तो है M और L. Write the commands for following. Menu option. Commands का मतलब menu कौन सा use हो रहा है, उसके अंदर option कौन सी use हो रही है. To display the tools palette. Tools palette, if it is not visible, tools panel आपका visible नहीं है, how will you make it display? It's given in book. Which menu will you use to display the tools palette?
Window.
Windows menu. Option. Which option? Book.
Tools palette.
Not tools palette. It's tools option. Windows menu. Tools option. Windows menu. Tools option. Windows menu. Tools option. Here. Last में. देखो नजर आ रही है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
to display
ma'am.
the layers
Yes,
panel.
ma'am.
To display the layers panel. Again, Windows menu, layers option.
Layers.
Layers
option.
option. Windows
जैसे इधर
menu,
लिखा है F7.
layers option. Layers panel नहीं है, tools palette या tools panel नहीं है. Only tools option and layers option. Priyansh, what are you doing? You are not learning, beta. Okay, next one. Okay, to create a new file.
File menu, new
File.
option.
Create a new file. New option किसमें होती है? Okay, file
File
menu,
menu.
new option.
New
File
option.
menu, new option. To save a file.
मैम कंट्रोल प्लस सन से नहीं बनेगी.
मनस्वी, क्वेश्चन क्या है ऊपर? शॉर्टकट की नहीं पूछी है.
मैं तो मैं ऐसे पूछा था, हम कंट्रोल लिख सकते हैं
हाँ,
शॉर्टकट कीज में. मैं शॉर्टकट कीज वाला क्वेश्चन
शॉर्टकट
में
की
आया
में
है.
कंट्रोल प्लस एन. ओके, टू सेव अ फाइल.
File menu save option.
Save option.
To insert an image on the workspace.
Images option.
No.
Images.
File tab place option.
Correct. Very good. File menu place option. It's not tab. File menu place option. हम place option यूज करते हैं तो पिक्चर आपकी बैकग्राउंड लेयर के ऊपर प्लेस होती है, जिसको हम बाद में मूव कर सकते हैं. फाइल मेन्यू प्लेस ऑप्शन. टू ओपन एन इमेज.
Edit.
File menu
File
open
menu
option.
open
File menu open option.
Correct. File menu open option. When we open the image, it is opened as a background layer. Single image जिसको हम मूव नहीं कर सकते हैं, that becomes your background layer. That is file menu open option. To display the layers panel. अभी करवाया मैंने.
Windows menu layers option.
Layers option. Windows menu layers option. Only layers option. To copy the selected part of an image.
Right click.
Menu. Copy. To copy the selected part of an image. Edit menu, copy option. Edit menu, copy option. To paste the copied image. Edit menu,
Edit menu, paste
paste option. Undo.
Edit
Edit
menu, undo option.
Undo option.
Undo option.
Okay. Now give me the tool names. Tool names. Give me the tool for use for following. To select an image or part of it in rectangular, square, elliptical or circular shape.
Marquee tool.
Marquee tool.
Marquee tool. To select irregular shape.
Lasso tool.
Lasso tool.
Lasso tool. Okay. To select an area of picture having straight edges.
And polygon
Lasso tool.
Polygonal lasso tool. Okay. Maneet, Navkaran, Hariom, Pragati, why you are not giving answer of the? Okay. To select an area which have complex edges.
Quick selection tool.
Huh?
Quick selection.
No.
Magnetic lasso tool.
कौन सा? Magnetic
lasso
yes,
tool.
magnetic lasso tool. Magnetic lasso tool to select an area which are having complex edges. To automatically select the adjacent areas of same color.
Magic wand tool.
Magic wand. Okay. In this selection, using this selection expands outwards and automatically finds and follows the defined edges.
And selection tool.
Quick selection tool.
Quick selection tool.
When we select, move the pointer inside. Selection जो point है, selection जो आपका है, that expands outward towards the edges. That is quick selection tool.
Next,
to remove
crop tool.
unwanted parts of an image.
Crop tool.
To drag the selected part of an image to new location.
Move tool.
Move tool.
Move tool.
Okay. To fill the area with the range of colors.
Pattern stamp tool.
Better range
Gradient
of
tool.
colors. Range
Gradient.
of colors.
Oh.
Okay, range of colors, that is gradient tool. To fill a part of image with selected color.
Paint bucket tool.
Paint bucket tool.
Paint bucket tool.
Okay, now look at this activity. Here we had I am giving you a few tools. आपको categorize करना है under these 4 categories of your tools.
हमारे कोई इंटरनल असेसमेंट है इस बार की?
आपने बेटा जो हॉलीडेज होमवर्क में 2 असाइनमेंट्स करी हैं, दैट इज योर इंटरनल असेसमेंट. ठीक है. जिस बच्चे ने हॉलीडेज होमवर्क सेंड नहीं किया है, उनके दोनों इंटरनल असेसमेंट में 0 हो जाएंगे. बिकॉज हॉलीडेज होमवर्क में जो आपको वर्क दिया गया था, दे आर पार्ट ऑफ इंटरनल असेसमेंट. दे वर, दैट इज 1 सब्जेक्ट एनरिचमेंट, 1 ऑफ मल्टीपल असेसमेंट. If you had not submitted your holidays homework, that means both activities will get 0. Now move tool. Which category it should come?
Selection and crop tools.
Selection and crop tool. Brush tool.
Retouching and paint tools.
Retouching and paint tools. आपको हर टूल का नेम और उसकी कैटेगरी लर्न करनी है. Gradient tool.
Retouching and paint tools.
Retouching and paint tool. Text tool.
Drawing and type tools.
Anji Priyansh. Not giving any answer now. Again.
And next, zoom tool.
Zoom tool.
Annotations.
And measurement. Eyedropper.
Drawing and type
Selection
tool.
and crop tools.
No. Drawing and type tool.
Drawing and type tool.
Drawing and type tool. Crop.
Selection and
Selection and
crop
crop
tool.
tools.
Magic wand.
Paint and retouching.
Huh?
Selection and crop tools.
Selection and crop. Magic wand से selection होती है मनस्वी, तो it will come under the selection and crop tool. Pen tool.
Yes.
And
drawing and type
Drawing
tool.
and type tools.
Type tool. Pen tool. ठीक है. To draw edges होते हैं, तो drawing and type tool. बुक में नहीं है, सिलेबस में नहीं है. Eraser tool.
Retouching and paint tools.
Retouching and
paint tools.
Eraser tool. Retouching and paint tools. Blur.
Retouching and paint tools.
Retouching and paint tools.
Hand tool.
Annotations are measurements.
Measurements. Annotation and measurements. Correct. Okay. Clone stem.
Drawing
Retouching and paint tools.
Retouching and paint tools. Paint tools. Lasso.
Selection and crop tools.
Selection crop.
Custom shape,
Drawing
Drawing
and
and type tools.
drawing and type tool. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Activity clear है
Yes, ma'am.
सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now a few question answers. What is the use of Photoshop? One by one.
It is used to create graphics and edit the photos.
It is used to create graphics and edit the photographs. Photoshop is a graphic editing program developed by Adobe company or Adobe systems, and which is used by most of the photographers and graphic designers all over the world to create new graphics and edit the photographs or images. Okay, all right, the any 5 features of Photoshop. Kritika,
User friendly.
user friendly क्या? User friendly interface.
interface.
हाँ,
Crop or resizes pictures without losing its quality.
okay. You
It
can
has
give the
powerful tools.
icons. Okay.
Usage of layers is very effective and efficient.
Correct. Usage of layers बता दिया.
It has
Then-
powerful tools.
For powerful
Editing.
tools for
For
editing,
good editing.
Editing and creating
retouching the
graphics.
images. Editing and retouching the images. Okay. How will you start Photoshop?
Start button or
Start
program
button
Adobe
or
Photoshop
programs.
CS3, Adobe Photoshop CS3.
Okay, correct. Usually जैसे आप normally बाकी programs open करते हो, start button, all programs, Adobe Photoshop CS6 or CS3, then Adobe Photoshop CS3 or CS6, whatever version you want to have. Name the various components of Photoshop window. Harshita, I want to see कि आपका mic unmute होता है. Yes, Harshita, what are the various components of Photoshop window?
Ma'am, can I tell?
I tell, मैं बताऊं.
Okay, Pragati.
Title bar, context menu, tools palette, workspace,
Okay, title bar, menu bar, tools palette, workspace, and palettes.
Text menu.
Palettes. ठीक है. Title bar, menu bar, tools panel, workspace, and palettes. Okay, next question. Name the 4 categories of tools in the tools palette. Priyansh, अभी 4 categories में tools divide किए हैं. Can you name the 4 categories of the tools? Yes, Ritesh. Correct. Correct. Very good. Anji. Yes, Japuji.
Annotations, measurements, drawing and type tools, retouching, drawing and type tools, retouching and
paint.
paint tools,
Retouching tools.
selection and crop tools.
Crop tool. Okay, selection and crop tool.
Ma'am, drawing and type tools.
Drawing and type tools, selection and crop tool, and then painting and retouching tools, and annotation and measurement tools.
Measurement tools.
Okay, name the various selection tools.
Marquee
Crop
tool, lasso tool,
Marquee tool, lasso
Marker
tool.
tool, magic wand tool.
quick selection tool.
Selection tool. Okay, marquee tool, lasso tool, magic wand tool, and quick selection tool.
Quick selection tool.
Okay, name the selection कर रहे हैं अभी selection वाले लो जरा. Name the 4 types of marquee tool.
Rectangular
Vertical marquee tool, rectangular marquee tool,
marquee tool,
column marquee tool,
column
single row
marquee tool.
marquee tool.
Okay, Kritika. Kritika.
Ma'am, rectangular marquee tool, elliptical marquee tool, single row marquee tool, single column marquee tool.
Correct. ठीक है. Rectangular marquee tool, elliptical marquee tool, single row marquee tool, and single column marquee tool. Priyansh, come here. Name the 3 types of lasso tools.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Khyati, Khyati.
Lasso tool, polygon lasso tool, and magnetic lasso tool.
Correct. Lasso tool, polygonal lasso tool, and magnetic lasso tool. Name the types of gradients.
Angle gradient.
Yes.
Ma'am, linear gradient,
Linear, radial, angle,
reflected diamond.
diamond, and reflected. ठीक है? Underline in your books also. Linear, radial, reflected, diamond, and angle. 5 types of gradients. Okay. Anji, any doubt in this chapter?
No.
Ma'am, what is the answer of sixth question?
Name the various selection tools. Name the various selection tools. Lasso tool, marquee tool, magic wand tool, and quick selection tool. लाओ इधर दिखाओ, है आपको, मैंने करवाया भी था अंडरलाइन, पैराग्राफ में है, ग्रेडियंट का चैप्टर से सही। ये देखो आपने अंडरलाइन किया हुआ, मास्क का पहनो आप, हाँ एक issue nowadays, ठीक है, all of you are using internet daily, ठीक है, so we are facing some problems also. What kind of problems we are facing? That is not, when we are using internet for so many purposes, many people are using internet for so many purposes, we are facing cybercrime, right? We are facing cybercrime. That is the most important issue nowadays, cybercrime and cyber safety. That means how to use internet safely, so that we are using internet and our personal information or our personal identification cannot be stolen. Okay, how to use that? Cyber safety. What is cybercrime first of all? Anybody who knows what is cybercrime? What is cybercrime? Any crime that is that is done with the help of electronic communication media or internet or computer. Cybercrime is any criminal offense that is facilitated by or involves the use of electronic communications or information system, including any electronic device, computer or internet. Okay? It may include phishing, credit card frauds, illegal downloading, industrial espionage, child pornography, cyberbullying, cyber stalking, cyber terrorism, creation or distribution of virus, spams, and so on. All the illegal activities that can be used with that can be done with the help of internet or computer, that is called cybercrime. And all these crimes are punishable. They are criminal crimes and they are punishable with the term in jail and with the fine also. Both the things can be there, depending on the level of cybercrime that you are doing. Bilkul, hacking is a cybercrime. What do you mean by cyber hacking or cyber bullying? That means accessing somebody's personal information, unauthorized access to somebody's personal information. किसी की personal information को कोई unauthorized person access कर रहा है, that is hack कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? So various examples of cybercrime can be email or internet fraud. That means somebody is accessing your emails and steal your personal information. Identity fraud, that means stealing your
pirated sites से भी होती है ऐसे.
Yes, pirated sites में अगर आप download करते हो, that is also a part of crime.
में वायरस आ सकता है उसके साथ.
वायरस आ सकता है, that is also creation and distribution of virus is also a crime. ठीक है, that is also
cyber department भी होता है ना.
बिल्कुल होता है, cyber cells are there. Cyber cells are there. ठीक है, where you can report the cyber crime and you can have the help from them. Okay, okay, we will discuss this topic tomorrow. a little bit. ठीक है, as the time is over now.